Gard creates the world's best window films and surface protection solutions for your family, home, business, and car. But how does Gard do it? It all starts with high-quality clear polyester in a variety of widths and thicknesses, ranging from 0.5 mil to 7 mil. With over 172 years of experience in R&D, Gard puts each window film to the test to make sure that our materials withstand the most challenging situations. Upon receiving new rolls, Gard's quality control team goes through a rigorous inspection process to ensure that incoming materials meet strict internal specifications before releasing them for production. The first step in the production process is called advanced sputtering, which is technology that deposits an ultra-thin transparent metal layer onto the film. Depending on the properties designed into the product, we can sputter a range of materials including aluminum, titanium, copper, silver, ceramics, and even gold, which only can be done in a vacuum chamber and with controlled noble gases. We can also perform reactive sputtering, altering the properties of the sputtered material, resulting in unique characteristics in the end product. The second step utilizes state-of-the-art coating and laminating technology to combine the sputtered film with clear or dyed films. To produce a top-quality and durable film, we layer adhesives and a proprietary hard coat finish that prevents scratching and stands up to years of rigorous cleaning. After being coated and laminated, the material is again tested, assuring that it meets our high standards of quality and performance. It is then ready to be transferred into the slitting process. The final production step is to precision cut the finished goods into customized widths and lengths, which are packaged for delivery. Gard is the only manufacturer with all these capabilities under one roof, which allows us to control quality and consistency, resulting in a better product. Once production is complete, our highly efficient shipping department works hand in hand with our production and customer service teams to ensure our clients obtain the exact products they need when they need them. Gard partners have direct contact with our courteous customer service department to place orders, ask questions, and obtain information about our product lines. Our technical service team is available to provide answers to complex technical questions. Gard service centers are strategically located and offer our customers increased convenience and shorter shipping times. Creating the world's best window films and surface protection solutions requires knowledge, experience, innovation, state-of-the-art technology, and a passion for perfection. The people of Gard strive every day to improve daily life through comfort and protection. Gard, what matters most to you, we're on it.